kase bo hye ya to ne din se hot bite eno ena anwumre ya tenase na babia wo bia ye be ede ama wo hye no so se firi SOMPA 106.5 FM enkran Watermelon Street ne so sabra kro na hwada braka life ho eno 93.1 kumase asa na meka santema ya je atum bre kro na bono na henkro sunwane 98.9 laji be kwa na abro sanum adaje ne poso eno na tete famu akotwam shanton ho 18 mu a esa kopiem e wa hafo abusua ye live e 101.3 SOMPA doma henkro ena ho kro na doma 100.7 ensempai wafa bi to apete amakodi vuafo nyinada wono manya somfa so abusua eno eyebuna fam ho na pue 90.7 SOMPA nkransa anwumre edidem efa baabia na tifin na nafo ena afi tachiman say ye tifin ho ana nafo no 106.1 FM SOMPA tachiman ena afi kingdom 106.1 so dia madehia wo mankesim ene nafa wo mfimfini mantemu adamfopa radio France abrochimamu ye live ho 103.3 na nim say ye dura to FM takrade 101.1 takwa SOMPA no abusua ensemi nyina yewura taboate amfansie wa chekere de akwakoto wiase nyina pa no so www.somponline.com ye ginam baby FM stations no wona abusua ba ho a won se kan ye huti se Ghana franka ye this is match no sabre kro na animu ngoma no so Facebook SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra eho for adwenkyere no won kanto so to na afi wa che amanua enya bi anwumre midimafo eba center waka ye ho wodi mayen dendende wode time ato ye so na mom time da kase no so no eye TIME eno eye malaria dura etu ase kura ede afiri asetenenum na mom ye kan nyina no na opese wona SOMPA didwa eno nso ahoma ne ye krope 0531886216 wo mukuta yemmo na mo yede ubesi kura no Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic Dr. Kwaten Dr. Edubuaten Instant My womo ene de abadwa so ya eye adwuma se nkonya wokan ho anwumre na yade na ase ema wono mu nyina no message agwa na afi yi waso triple way man APPIAH APAM DADAA anwumre me na nsemi me bedi kan abo ho ahose wansampobre ede asomwo eno achi firi no nsia ede kro no na atrankonwa ni nyina som na ofan to so mi no yede atoawo for God and country Professor Kwamla Bochi ye na wone dom na se papa na anwumre nsam a eda paso no enya duru SOMPA hot bite na ensa na ebi no mo keka no wo mo chiachi nepa sabi ebi kan no wode asun no hu babia wo mfa ni tin konkohye no eno na yedomu asuko ekosi ase ma asamko no unya emonte ase na asama eda paso a ye twetwe ne so wo wi nam no eye de esesei ebi no mo didi nkomo na nso mu nkire mu no aye bibia ho ubusa no wo maka eye Ghana Community Service Bill ya ni dwumadie nyina na se eba wo mai abonefo sama hodo a ekoso wo ye mpotam ewie ma obi kodi naduafie no enkwankwa yese ye de ne kohye naduafie nko asa wo kɔ na wakɔ twena so anase bibi etesa na mom wasoma mana ye nkaedum na mana sanye so mfa so no wono nso kura ne se womfiri no enya se bia ye kɔ twena so awie ama wakɔ ye bɔne kura aboro so asensene na mom womfiri no no wasesa kura emfaso asan aba ne so ede ama oman no enti sa asemi so afa on na hwe afisem so yewura Muntaka Mubarak Mohammed aswasem ra badwani wode nsemi kɔto pono so ewo badwafie sa abre korona na opon hyikyekumo ewo ho a wo mo fekiri wani eyi wo mo asom tie nsam no krogen na yekase so yede bi eto pono so na emuno ena yewura Muntaka Mubarak wo kyerɛkyerɛm ewo floor of parliament ho no wo kyesa Ghana Community Service Bill yi no eya kokoduro anamontuo pa ebeboa ama abonefo sama hodo ne atemu ahodo a ewo man yi mu ne emu atentene no atimi enya ne se no se de yede Pepsodent cavity fighter atwi no fita atimi asekyere de akyere amansan ebio wo kyerɛ se saa bill kuro ya na ye ka ho asemi Community Service Bill no eno no nso kura ma abone nketenketi bi no mu a sabio ebidia na wone wo mo adi bone kase nyina wo mo akwakoda fi kuro mu no eno no ebema enchemu abem ewia ebesa so kura boama se ye adwuma wo ye mpotemu ama mpotemu na atumi atumpon no eno nso be kontem ena afi sika to a ya aban tua edema wo mo saa 1 cedi 80 pesos a per head obi a edi no so sese ni pegu na duafie se uyi ankafo de uyi nsawamu de nyanko osunwa ne kura na kampese makọ edwira de Pentecost fo asisi nom nyina mu a eho nyina boma na abo apeso ebema eno no nso eso atimi ate na wo cha se saa mre ya wo kan no ewo atenapoye nso ena yi na atenapoye nso no nso kura sa wo musuanko aduosia nsia ewo nase ya ni nyina no ne nhyehyeye ne se anya hwe anka be se donhwere enan ekosi ne nwatwe de wudi be ye adwuma be bosumi nsia ewo community kro no baby akoko wi abode no okokofo obi sereba ya wo no mu secondem no se wo munya so opan achi sa eho no wo ye adwuma ema ye ehunu se oboni ewudi ye eso akatua no ena wutua ne nkakra akra eno achi enwuma edu baby a ye di bi mu kokoye de wo mu kopae abo koso aso nnua mo nenso ebewie no emfaso obi anhyɛ da mama aban na aban besan so de 1 cedi 80 pesos akoma obi a sɛ yɛmfa ma na de sika de whole day no ebetimi ama wo ma ye nnwuma bi a ebesan so atete so wo se enya ba ne sa senka wobakɔ na duafie be semfinhia miensa enom ne ade no sɛ adwuma no kora wo ye no etimi sane ne nkakra akra ema esote ewie no wo kyɛ sɛ saa community service bill no eno ye mra ehwe nipa anim ehunu nipa mmɔbɔ ana afi wo ma nipa nso kora ni su no emfa ho ne bɔne sɛ de eye ebesesa ebeye papa te sɛ de Christ yaba na wo bedi na henie pepepe na wo nyina no ena chairman Edma Parliamentary Select Committee a wono ena hwɛ bambo ena afi afisem so yewra James Agaga wo dama pani ase sɛ no kwasem ni enhyehyɛ ne ye papa na so ebesa so kura aboa ama empuntu aben ye tentem se koba se empanimfo agitum na biribia ama ho a ebio ena wo mo sande to so akyese se emre nso no enya bam ne wo mo gi atuma ebedum aboa pa ama atantere ne mra na ewo ho no nso no ayi ne ho na atimi adi na asem adi ne bibia kama pa frenchem ena afi prisa ho nso aya na eho aboa pa so no ebedum aboa ama eno nso eso atimi ate na wo mo kyese March bosome no obenimu da to so nan ena wo mo de saa beli ekokoto pono so mampanimfo wo mo twetwe ya nansa na 2025 won so no ebo bosome mu ho ekwa October ho so na wo mo de no nso kro na aba beto epono so a na eja wo mo abobo ho a ebia na saa beli enye saa bia fe na ebo 2018 mu ho nso kra no wo mo ehyehyei ekodwendwene ho ema saa bre no na saa community service no kura wo mo kase ubeye adwuma wo mpotemu no na no ewo se wo mo tete bi firim ehyehye ne ye se de be na ebetumi aba beboa na eno ho ena badwafie ho owura wo mayimra hye badwafie a donkuma wono mo wo ho no wono we member of parliament edema okankwe central Patrick Yaboama wono de afra ban se saa community service bill na ye ka ho asem CCA ya no da pono so a ye ba bedi ho nkomo pa tutu ne sre ene na basa ama obi hunu nefa ne se de mu nsam te no owura ya abo ama e kire se eba mu saa eye pa na ebeboa ama edu ba bi a se de emra no ebitimi kikire bi kura na nka wonni fo nanso ebewie na anya achi na wie ene se ye be ho se wonni fo no na di obefam no wa fama wie nanso se koye community na anya hwe no ebetimi aboa pa enti na yewura abo ama wo kasa edefa saa beli ho ene sede wo mu titoto ne yi a ede mfaso ebebra de hye won mu ma mu tituru ne won mu a ebekọ na duafie.
So Speaker, it's a very important secretariat being envisaged under this bill, but I want to admonish the ministry that because of the very important nature of this bill and what it seeks to do, resources that is required to ensure the implementation or the effective organization of this secretariat ought to be made available in order not to create goro boys at that secretariat. Mr. Speaker, it's very important to look at that. A review of the fiscal impact analysis ought to be done to bring it in line with the current happenings, especially when ministries, departments, and agencies are suffering from releases from the Minister of Finance. They all have to go for what we call commitment authorization, stifling ministry, departments, and agencies, Mr. Speaker. It's very important that the Minister for Interior, who is seated, gets a review of this analysis by the Ministry of Finance and report to the House so that we support him in the implementation of this very important bill.
Was it Saudi one do anywhere a being well? And Brunin so cry and a kai, and no kind of brother say it's easier said than done. And he said the almost ya canon. So I'm going to say, you go upon us now, can't any answer coffin chema. Said Tibia, and say deformation, name a better reformation. And now, so far no, and the share acquire champon some so, Yura. Governance Kwame Abuja, Ada Klumra Sebedrin, so better say, a beboapa, amempo, dear friend say. Criminal justice system no and also you know near who nemfaso ye.
Mr. Speaker, it is very difficult to understand why a young man who out of hunger, though wrong, steals cassava and is thrown to jail the same way as somebody who murders another person. I think this bill is intending to make better sense of our criminal justice system, and indeed keeping people in custody actually imposes extra financial burden on the state. Those people could get community service and clean the street within the communities within which they committed the offense. People who steal goat, people who steal cassava, yes, it is a crime. It is not supposed to happen. But in my mind, anybody who steals a fresh corn from a farm is calling for help. It means that the person is hungry. And the best punishment for the person cannot be to put the person in jail and now ask taxpayers to contribute money to feed him in jail. Let that person clean the street or sweep the side of the road in that community as a befitting reform process and reduce the cost of criminal justice and carry out better reform of that individual.
And we are someone at a Klumra Sebedrini. Yewra governance Kwame Abuja wono ene hwe akwani akwantem po ho nsem so wono nso saa asem ya wo mo boss wo badwafie ho no wo de to so chese se obi akwa akobu aburu ewo obi afum ebikura metem miensa nan ya par na kromfo ache no na woni no ye de na ekwa akoto afie ase be se mfinhye mienu miensa ene akiri eno ane se ye manado ewo saa ba bi na wo kokko wi ade no ano kwan no ho am ye hu se we na kokko wi a papa manu aburu no na fe wo bokwan amwa baby afe emfie mienu ne ade no wono kura se de obesi afere ne tirim ebe den be yanwa se be wi obesa akobokro no wo twense kan a obekọ wura makopa adwuma bia ya mamfaso abaso na wo de abadwa ababeton na wo sanse mi ho no ene ye be bone pa na afe ye wuram na ye didi nkomo na no na Ghana fo bie wono mo nso ekasa se bill no ebe bo apa obi a kire na adwene
me den ka me se Ghana fo mpanyimfo se ene no obi ko wia banche ana abode ana aburo ye ma no be 10 years 15 years nyame no kuro ni ene emu awem kakra na obi akokum nipa ye ma no 5 years say onko for just a yike no omla na yenkere numa sem se nke nipa no ko wia aburo na se ko wia banche ya na ko ma ko dem 2 years na 1 year bi oba ekrom na oba pepper krom be 6 months nye jano
ye mo nye adwumaden kakra nye se bia ye jeli o ma mo be 5 years ana se 10 years ne ade no mo de ya na ano odin nti ye ma wo mo nye adwumaden keke ne njai wo mo
mene the interior minister honorable Muntaka ekano mene ya adwen sense ewiase ekomo ya nti na ma obi wia obi ade ni se obi ko wia bibi te se aduane se bodie banchi eburu akokọ musa ande kam susu se nka ye mo punishment se bia 6 months ana 1 year onpa no ne ni onua banchi ni bi ne ba Ghana for aban ahwe ne bia kakra bia wapama no se bia je 500 cedis bi ne fadidi na efo ne abaye oman ne dia enti misuse ka punishment ne ye since ye be jeli no go jeli na Ghana for say bo no ka odema obedidi ni na ye Ghana for sika na ne say bo no ka enti misuse the interior minister e kan no me ne ya adwen pa
eno ye Ghana for bi nso na wo ma che wo ma dwene se nka be bo papa de ye wura interior minister wo bo so no wonom ene ne ya adwene esan se wakwa wi ade na ye de ne kotum finhia be se de wo ho na o man na esan bo no ho ka esan de kaba na emom ye de ne yakwasafo dwuma bi empo aburo fu ne ye be ma na yo na ewi a sanka ebetua ne ka no ne de no na ya asotwe de ama no se emfa ho no do a wado nyina no de awo ye no eso akatua no na eno na ebi busa se eba ne se ya se bie so se bie kudonto enkonko ya ma abonefo sam no emmekoso a esan se ebe so ayire so ado na ebe mama ya do ana se akwa animu a banchifuo na mewio e de ato ho nti mi wie ana meye bone na wie amakwa akodo go bitimi yosa emma bone ensan nkoso ana ne no je ye bone na fe ye wuram eko edi law ne enim law na ewe law for no wo mo enim mra aben wo mra num na wo mo ehunu mra no ba bia ne se ne mo wire nyina wo ne kwan ye befa so ebetimi achi a obi antimi nwane nyamra no wo mo ne betimi abo sansemi so na fe wo no nso aben pa ye e wo bambom se so saadi ye ya ebebo ana na no nso de ye ka ene na ne nse eba bambom a security consultant no de betimi a consult no Yewra Richard Kumado aja party anka sompa hot bite anwumre no num mpa mo ka se na ye de twamfa no nsia no eno so ne ye mo adwomo akwaba
ina me da se yenko
na de Yewra Muntaka de akwakoto floor of parliament say Ghana for atwetwe ne so wi anami e bia na asa de wo si kan wo no technical know how a ye ne wo hun enti na ye keka ne se de ye kanwe sa community service bill no miwura se eba bambom ne mramu a eye mra ben pa na so ebebo ama bone yetimi afiri asetena mu de
meaning the reason here no a complete bill on its own. Other than that, it could have been a legal reform to our criminal jurisprudence. In a sense, it's who call Europe, many of the developed countries now. A known fact is every criminal offense be it may be in a prison. And now say obi bia na be committee crime chinchan say ya final court prison. And now say all categories of crimes are obe committee they have to give you custodial centers. But then over the years you are breaking it down. And mostly minor crimes, you and I will call it minor crime. If you are not judge now who say a minor crime, then you are going for custodial centers. The second point is the amount of fees your prisons now you took. Now Osha prison you building for many years is for like 300 people and now it's taking over 20,000 people. And just say idea in that regard.
No,
over the years, different people are taking initiatives to decongest our prison. Church of Pentecost has seen new one amaye. This year, President Bema amnesty, say once, say twice. It is also winning now the bomber. Anything that will take away custodian centers, and now say anything that will reduce custodian centers, very good in terms of criminal jurisprudence. I work from her. Yeah, very problematic. Yeah, the way they were going about it. Say they were talking about bill, the bill being used as punishment, and bill amounts and many of those things. Meaning, in terms of criminal prosecution, law and interest say within 48 hours, they file court. Now, say amount bill, now you do court, now sentence you for 1 year in prison, and I said 2 years in prison. A back to the same account. And the whole issue is about the way they were going about it and the narration around this whole thing. We have all agreed that community service and non-custodial centers is one of the ways we can reduce congestion in prison.
Okay.
But who care about bail amount and many of those things, then you are changing the topic because you kill. Depending on the offense, our committee, they will call within 48 hours. You know, it is at the discretion of the judge based on the offense and the prevailing law. The law makes you within the 48 hours, you can be sentenced. Unless politicians want to commit crime and they want to be granted 10 CD bill and they go about committing more crimes, that is has become part of them in this country. And see, that is the broader idea of what we are talking about.
Na ebani say ya bambose muno amma wonu ma bone ahye wo mutiri muno nso nka sese de Ghana mra no wo mama mu aye mre nti ukokura na akofom a ayire so a community service ne ebe ma wayo nti emma bonefo entu nwura mu de.
No, the discretion of the judge. Number one. Number two, the prevailing law. Number three, the offense our committee. What to make a company also for your committee service? What to make a real bank also for your community service?
Okay.
What to make a car bonnie pa or breaking yet or baby and your kind also for your community service? What to make threatening power with guns?
Okay.
Also for your community service. Ultimate cancer, we want to destabilize the country. Also for your community service. No. Now, even in terms of law enforcement and prosecution, best practice, even within the 48-hour rule, no, and yet every crime, and yet obibiana law enforcement officers, maybe man are coffee within 48 hours. So there are exceptions to it. Now, this is why you need public education. So that for community crime, I'm going to the media house and threatening them there and walk into the media space and scatter their things. Then you are going for community. Okay. A law, but you call inside. And say what we need to be promoting is good behavior and decency in our public discourse, in our public space. Okay. Because there are exceptions to so many things.
Enti emfa hone se aboa kwaku ne huni ho nkyere se pro nkofa na yire enti miwura ansa na yebeja wo na mu kura ma wakoro no saa community service bill ya eneye ka ho asemi akade be ne akade be ne wo se eka ho a ebe ma timi asipi popa titru ewo bambom.
No, we haven't seen the full context of the bill, but from the earlier stage, you know. No matter how you draft the bill, it's in the bosom of the judge, is that not it?
Yes.
It's at the discretion of the judge. Now, if you have community service crime, I said there are differences in it. Yes, you conduct 10 acres of farmland. Say you're different from, you see, go and sweep the street from Accra Mall to Medina Market. And I say, go and see no more. Particularly if he is the first, you are a first offender. And now say, to make say offense you are committee, the sentence is supposed to be 5 years. But as part of bill whereby we are giving you 6 months on probation. Don't go and sin anymore, insult anybody. And you know these are our people, those who have been insulting left, right, center. The demons in them will force them to go insult again. They will bring it to the same judge. You go inside 7 years, case closed.
Okay. You recommend enyumre me no wase pa ne bra wanyama ye. Na ja afena ashase e boboba na bibie be firi akire no. E baba mbom a ye beba opunum.
Thank you.
Yes, so it was papa. Ora Richard Kumado, a security consultant, and China Yakoya, ya consult no. Say eba community service bill ya. Emremuno. Dear Nedian ye de camwa, a bedma boy empa ama yenwe enkojin tumuma emra. Yedi ye juma, na fe ye sanswa bebo ho abubu. Na no emra no se de meka no eba sa edi law for no. Enom law for na every law for no a eni nimu ho asem a won betumi aboye mu pa enti eno no ye ka community service bill na emranimfo no eye bill ben ya eno me enko lawyer Thomas Session ho na fe adama ye musa se sa community service no a ye ka ho asemi wode toto sekane no yede obi bakwa akohye na dua fie ho ene we no a yebeka se eba begum anasa sanete ye reson wote yanka ye moadwo mo akwa ba hot bite so ni o
yo meje mosomichia etifo nyina nso
o mu nyina nso eda wase yewra Thomas Eshon sa community service bill ya yewra muntaka kan wo parliament se ko base ye gi atum na ba be ye mra nka be boama tituru ne na duafie ho abo apeso no eno so bete afa ebinum so kura mfiri ho mra na nya se wo mabra bona sei wo mra na okuta na adwuma bi sa mre papa se ye ka ho asam na wo de ye kɔ emra musuku a sa na obesi afa afiri na be kyerema me ate ase yi
yo me da siminia se sa nko won e community service bill nyina efa sentencing ana se sebio se obi etumra na ye de ko gina asɛmdi bia na ye buan fo a asotwe a ye de ma no ekania ye se nimpen bebre ne kase no a ye se ye de ko to efiase de e fe no custodial sentence no enu ti no there are occasions where you have to find any pano a yen fanu kotum and so bebre ye find obi a where na se when to me try to find na in default no or sign for that if you have kind of saying emra top ogwa and start school of thought na e just say enye boni bia na said emra to bia na say ye de nipa no ekoto kupiase custodial sentence so me did say any kwan so a bia obi abokono a ekono kase se bia obi ekowi obi efom banchi ana se obi akofa di nye ni transition ye kase degree eno no sa no ye offense say ye friend misdemeanor aha ye emma no your offense say friend misdemeanor you were the friend of felony and felony no they attach mu into first degree felony and a second degree felony and you know your offense is actually misdemeanors no me who be in way in detail that actually everybody na the most scope the moment and pray no on the general level no in just understand if they say you be able to do it no and no be no you have to share our born now emra to no enye very serious act the year mo free we don't see you society all together that for no this is center you don't have to so and fear kakra no na ka bia you want to do a community no if you are kwanya so to here say that then that party we are say was still from there just a couple more the sample we know about the I have found so no one important one and very determined to the extent that Nipa you know what you know we say oh when you get any nye is answer say you know anymore and moment then from you know so na pabia the man ko yes say you must say but modality say the by say Nipa no say if you know better say when all those details no make the bill no at the address that detail
lawyer we be say no nyini na ye nyini koye nim bona ya bobi untina ye twetwe sa mrei e de aba ana say ye nyame ye no na say de anyini
na bi meje bi say enya say bi anyini na ye nyini well fine we bet me am for no say nyini na ye nyini wo ya bi mu ye mature ya bi mu lemo no you share against the background say so what ko ye fiase ko hwe situation ni condition wa nipa no agwa peso dan ketwa na ye nipa bebre egumu ye hye omo tse fa bin that say what they to standards international standards wa ye dey any police bebre because for many years no ye ntunu expand your prison facilities no improve conditions no and you know in plain na ye ntumi nya sa de no na say ya fa kwa ya best pass wa that keep on business no na nipa na ho no anko fa yare anko fa oha hodo to ka condition e wo prison nti no obeko da obeba no na tebia afi de wa be mu no e chen dada no the corona na obo afi de na why very hardened we say conditions na owo mu no so no also madwiri mu no say enhihia oman no be ya ebema ye betumi decongestive prisons no na at the same time no young compromise punishment as say edema nipa omoto embra awo man no mu na ebeye the friend of deterrent ama afofo a omunso enko sa abone na
yo lawyer ye do usi na ebiti se wo mo a ye di kan de wo matum bire bi atwam na bia wo mo bone a wo mu di ye ne ye beka se no na nka ni nye den sa safo eba sa de ye compensate wo mo e wo mremu ana ene de emu adi di ko de aka ne abo ho ban
Ojo sisi bi mo ma wa se bisa no
ti se de emra no ba bia epese keka ko na ekodi ma bi mu a wo mu se we no mu de wo mo bone no anka no nye den ti se de wadi awuo wo mo a kane no wo mo de aba abesene ko no eno ye beka se de emu adi ye ni nko de aka ne ye bo ho ban ana emra mu gi compensate safo no
oh that be we the compensation bi animo
okay
wa so twe no wo bra no community service act bi animo
ne mai
ena ye do akoto efiase a wo bone nso aketua ana se wo de man nka me fa se asotwe a court di ama wo no ena wo serve na bri so a no fisa osum no mu enti no de nya compensation asempra ye na ye sakra se de ye be ya be ifi na require ene ne ya ye na sa
mo mi wura anwumre ye da wase pa ne bra wo de ama ye ja wo na mamu akono
em se mi tie radio station na mi say LGBTQ bill no na ya pass and to LGBTQ bill na aka mo se ma kan no na ya pass and you know interesting development.
Okay.
A very interesting development.
Okay.
Ya pass happy
ya kasi ekure ewo mu ayedeba. Mo anwumre ye de wase papa ne bra wanya de amayen foforo bia ebebobo ye punum no ye nso ye beba onche ne ya ba bedi ho nkomo
yo
lawyer Thomas Eshon ne nchen ene ye ko ye no ya emramu nso no community service bill na wo mo ka ho asem no sade ebesi adomaboa na emfaso bi ebeba so na no na ate se na mra hye badwafo no bi ka se eno no kura ebesa boa ma bi mfiri wo mra no okuta ne nsa no adwuma sansa China fo ya wo mo wani nketenkete a wo mo nsuro hwe fa ya pirisafo enti enyaba ne sa aka so wo ngura asase ncheche mfuru mu kura wo bewura ne manti enye oni nti AMPOMAH homeopathic clinic woni nti ne kwansa wo yade ema yade de wo konse do bre ko a wo bre nson ye wo mo ebetimi ema wo nkwanna no asa ye tenten share signboard ana se kronoma bo hia kumasi asantema mu na do ani a kire ho Dr. Dubuaten Dr. Kwaten wo mo ho ebo adwuma so no na mmom unya ko na se ye firi hwe na yade na malaria time herbal mixture ene capsules na ne aduru no eno na ye honam yawo ene mutu aduru ena afi atiridie na aduru tatahwe no ewo ba bia ye tonro Dr. Tafirija na ye na owie no wo de herbal capsules na mixture san wo no eno se ma no pepa ye mi booster be ma wo no no a eboa ama utimi si po pa ma wo mo wa yama time ni KYEAME ba bia ye tonro bia ebi wo ho na mom midimafo aba center Dr. Time da so woda no ne time no wode to benkum ni nifa na no wode to yare so enti yare be na doctor say wo so ya bo di say stroke e na mi stroke yi asaka no ho wo stroke Dr. Time da so the time to so amana yira enti kan ho no wongogo yade ni nhini ewo abu akwa agogo anapoku asema yira yade ehunu ni se wo yira nyina bafua wakan ho anwumre ena nse no ye be ede ama wo abusua ye dan ye hutia wa ne ye ba wo fa to so mienu do not open to this page until you are told to do so ye de 12
no utini say ya na cha session B no ya de atoaso sa kama e de amawo we hot bite kasi ya nto aso wo so ma Facebook we so abra SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Sauba, Honorable Sampa. One story, one video, one voice. BBI Kama. Now, you don't call one of the international and national reporter. Now, upon Chichiku, you don't know how to Bonkomo. Nina, say, Oko, Mrasebe Jamus Abre, ya. Sa LGBTQI+. Kokubon Sam Kraba no say kekra. 1 2 3. Na tire chire ho bebre no. Na bill no one ya pass. Na one pass ya amendment kakra bi no ma ye wo mu. Abusuafo aso fa me. Amendment no ba ko ne say baabi wo wa nipa bi wo wa ya hye da yi o ma frim say wo mo no sanctions yanke de beka ho de ma no wo mo de wo man ka ho na say na tie individuals no any institutions are yi o ma frim under this new law no. Eno nie one more provide legal advice and as a legal representation. Adema obi a yebeche no LGBTQI+ obi a ho no wo samra na eniu o de o ye wadwuma. Ene ya number 1 insantrafo sa apam ne abakete hei na se wo tena SOMPA FM so no wo ka for educational purpose wa eno yensase ye che won sansa wo mo de wo mo etutu ho na akere afei wo bibia say medical professionals ne wo mo aye counseling na sefo no wo mo bubi nso de wo mo profession ni bi tete akere de ama LGBT fo no a eno so mranche won na we wo no yankwa homa no so na international reporter aba honorable MP for SOMPA we gina mu dendenden ebra na wo no mo edi ho nkomo no minority fo no de wo mo na so wo mo nhyada ne wo mo nya adwene wo ho saa na speaker wotena adwamu se bagbende anu odi kan kase nya beto se kim de beba no a wo ba hwa apase na wo mo ye ho adwuma no say the speaker kan no
of the motion say aye, those against say no. Honourable members, the ayes have it. The motion for the third reading is accordingly adopted.
An act to provide for human sexual rights and family values and related matters.
Honourable members, the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill 2025 is duly read for the third time and passed.
Enti we ni ekwa so mra se bedwam wonti already you don't need a soothsayer to say I think the eyes have it. Enti eye for no one more have it. Na yankwa homa no so ni yemisa honorable MP for SOMPA say no kan eye for no ho ana kan omo ye no a wo de ne ye mighty minority no ye wo mo ana na na tun kan ma adwo
Thank you so much.
na ho na mboko minim ba bia wugina Billy wo mo pass awie wonye na bu ntim fodwo ana
Obremponge me say ema kwa ba ma 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 she be fie Ukraine se me motiye no sa enete ene na she be fie atna se esipu ewo mpen to so me ntani ewo eye LGBTQI bill ya about the to ma she be fie mpen fini na make say ewo mani ni ewo mencha wa hanu so ni kwe na she be ni e ma eye atishia ewo eye kema west ewo mencha wa ni ye ni nkomo fa eye bill ya o ma passe ona bu jinti ma kwa ba son passe de minya bedase nti ona de ye bill ya passe ibu tene hu ba nti wa choka ka minority mu japa mpese ni sumu chekre kupita dom na mini nyamoye emreya ya passe ni dikan DNA catcher so minya bedase pa amse mana ya passe ni je she procedure ya so de dia pepe chief ni ni chief in the minority no just propaganda and on person there she lawyer you pass in before the previous parliament now can say my president put out on a signing bill and I want and parliament in last year the new nice parliament by do another key and so started the process no one say Papa John Mahama they were already over signing bill now I'm going to say score political points from this if they are just doing some machinations to paint a certain picture I think that there is a problem with the process. But the time is out. No one is the fact. No, yeah, party. Yeah, we expect us here in terms of the LGBTQ, FIFA, gay, lesbian, transgender, bisexual, all those kind of LGBTQ activities, and banning and yet that conduct Obivia will promote that activities, Obivia will support that activities, groups there, associations there, almost supporting those activities and Mano is against the ban. Those activities are all being criminalized. If you see one woman who will have it now, even if and now so no, they were constitution, the 1990 constitution. Apart from that, one mother, I have party parliament, I have Ghana. Oh, yeah, my phobia now. The man I will the constitution, provisions of the constitution, and that's the NCA and idea parliament to grab party that. Thank you for meeting now making sure that we are actually. Because not the person maybe not the provision of the constitution. Or to the right of the Supreme Court. Now I can tell section and so of the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill is inconsistent with the provisions of the constitution, and to the extent of that inconsistency, it is now a break. I'm reading my mind. As I say, as the parliament, you need to say, are they in the area? It's like it. We are passing right, making sure that Mano is in consonance to the constitution, in accordance or it's aligned with other laws. I am passing Ghana. Okay, we do see, honorable to so to speak on things each other. Environment, only the passing in parliament, brain Modia Bay. When you did finance this particular bill, Yama passing, a common a woman in Nano, if she want, and I was a team not account for her, who almost responsibility. Yeah, any need, honorable is for one of the sponsors of this bill. Bill or what they buy, we should provisions are across mind of the bill. The one look at it. Whatever they are doing, subject to the provisions of the constitution. As I said, the other part, the constitution is a guideline. If you remember one example, you call a constitution now. Constitution is said, they are accusing a criminal offense. That is the senior thing. The prison. Time in Prime Minister, one is entitled to a lawyer of his choice. It's entitled to I market who could promote, who could support the LGBT also no a fact is an offense. If you say I'm not lawyer, constitutional attack, everybody has a right to a lawyer of their choice. A lawyer being also be as a man born LGBT, I can't say or support and or promote the LGBT. What am I saying? Make sure that those exceptions no. If you are not doctor, LGBT, they are going they are not tricky. Now, Dr. Abeka said, oh, another say that one of the tricky. The other also support and promoting LGBTQ. But we were performing the services as a professional are mandated by law. Okay. Making sure that all those exceptions. Okay. In next time, to be. They are in Puno Constitution or LGBT, Dr. Becca's function. Okay, yes, I have one as a because senior, I'm Roba, cry, Yabonichu, the co-hospital, a doctor Shen Fett, and son or the member police. The doctor's responsibility to save the life first before any other lawyer. If you don't now, legal services, you provide that legal services. And no, you are promoting or you are supporting LGBT. You know, if you make it difference is clear. Mom, we have media going. We have publications. Publishing on your media platforms and all that. So why should we have that? You could go into this LGBT. I know I do promote and also support LGBT. If you are here making us I exempt those things, then I'm also media promoting more reporting on LGBT. So I'm making it clean. I'm reporting. Yes, I'll call report to LGBT. But if I bet you, I can't just say you are promoting or you are supporting one of the other. So these are the exceptions. Good. Honorable Jane in Esquire, and Yenino, Edifa LGBT, where I'm not sure any Emma Adishia, a war a year tema way.
Okay. Nana, Mamma say, sir, watch a bread watch church and say, Mukama, dear Maya. Now, we know how to say it for the dear, actually, all bounce around why. We a national and international reporter. Nana upon Checheku, honorable one before SOMPA and Watan and Kano. Now, one reporting live from the Parliament of Ghana and Krahaya and one for James Enu Esquire. Tama West Mashibeni, one and ODOMANKOMA. Now was asem Kuya Hono, Yabaka Homanaso, Niakwa to answer the everyone, a from international movement against same sex marriage. Then you are down on your friend Prince or say to two, ODOMANKOMA, Brahma Joy.
Yeah,
OBREMPONG now where dear?
Hey, champion Yamiadum, Namosway.
Yamiadum, you who are mobile. Now, Prince Yanigana near Yasin in other was a swatch of Brandy Bonkomo, and Komoi. A free to 10 day, and the account was a ma besine. Nani a Teresa Parliament, a passing Marano, a common penny, no in the signature near, dot etiatuano, no the assist to say pine. Now, for your bayamra, now shall see a yajuma. Sabani said, dear, international movement against same sex marriage. San one on your more than one second.
Oinba mamina SOMPA for us na menfa nchiama yeti fu ebumbe na menfa fe damma uname ediampon se washe Ghana so ma ya witness the 29th of May 2026 Ghana's parliament the anti-LGBTQ class mranatum na menfa na ase enso ma speaker Biden and the current members of parliament or what this parliament now. The better idea for that, the better woman, not that a Juma as a Sophia or my year a day Amma or my Ghana. The best Roman penny, I could do the table so a Madini Galibia, so now I sent it to the bill, never yet rat to say the OBREMPONG or KYEAME. Now, the Vigiano, yes. Yes, a real bad, not a real player. We are a real player, let's say. The members of parliament and to far bill or not, and for various constituencies, and for your town hall meetings, and lecture or manfully in them and some fwapotia, and what bill him, the Bako didn't kind of know. Enti utie the parliamentarians ni bi kakra almost say na emrebi anan kofo bi gini hihemu mu media fo bi a maye wo kofo bi nya monya sompafo ayo mo so mo de LGBTQ go mo be promote NGOs bi mo any kofo bi ana exactly ye hwe punish wo mo no o mu na edi afiri e den ya abaye mbra ye ye be hia ne se mu media fo e na mo di nkan money and sorry and software krumu ha imam fe wo krumu ha obia momodin sa ansa na mpo bill ni be do man penny table so no you bet me anya copies because obia a member of parliament
enti prince nana
yes sir
nana na say nia MPs na anya no say no be yan central for adwumanya sa
bia
na me busa say MPs no one ntimi anko town hall meeting anko church nsem no man kire o constituent no say sa responsibility no abeya yan central for ne asofo no abeya responsibility won
because yes what you know one but yes you person o manfo ne ti ase enkoda ti ase you hunu de wo mra nim fi say OBREMPONG ye wo acts bebre ye wo mra bebre woni Ghana ni kasa no akotu constitution say opa ka tell say on point be bi asem no e wo constitution nim according to Bible say e be a problem. So yes, it has become your responsibility and the responsibility of our religious leaders and our traditional leaders that would enforce or that would push the politicians to do the right thing. Because rather they are there to media ya re ye beka si agimra na to no na be window dressing now say and some namasie o kaya ya jimbratu but now we nimo mrano die ewomu ankasa se me ku mrano and somewhat ewomu a eni betime dia nante asoman ye dia ye adwuma na sa LGBTQ some no ya kwahye no if you solve the last point on this say na President Donald Trump our America no or your president no any bra or my be a we are on this issue of LGBTQ because not Democrats no one can near the sanction that also just about 4 years ago why I say Ghana bloggers yes say the American embassy are free womo now they are two party amomo why I say France embassy only a complete promotion of LGBTQ. Donald Trump by and what is the American embassy afraid blogger did that? That was a direct promotion of LGBTQ and its issues. Donald Trump had dismantled Sadine from White House. So it gives of my biano man penny bia or who no say ni minor dachi ziano mini LGBTQ and some discussing you and run meet you Dr. B or sister Umma. You are open to over 80 viral infections. You are the one who do. Oh yes, many are LGBTQ near castle, brother. I thought that Sabu, where the young function, winning some in Kata. I thought that Moncata to Mudian, Okasa, a Tony Panaginim, Naya Snatch. If it's a nipa to a namno a sister model, a breaky a boo, it's our couple could tell you why the banner watch here. It is all my young Kubema and now your banner bear beer or Wako Pony Road to Rada Brebia when then Namun and one say, and Yano one or pen a back door or pa, Ubikum, appeal to your rear, will be appeal to mental health diseases. So we need to now move away from the term LGBTQ and then step into the deep waters of mentioning and calling the things exactly the way they are.
Right. Nana Brenunti and Komoya Feni Ashasie, free Yami Adam Watana Kono. Yabesha de Yabre, Sadon Huri, and I don't hear me Nukra, near the Munkomoye. Why?
Yami Islam, no Mamoduman Koso.
Me, Prince was said to me, Bra, one day president, at the international movement against same sex marriage. Enti LGBTQI+. Send a worker to Muntu Fono. One more Juma, one day bagana, no one say, Yapamo, Yade Billy, we ever besi one quino. Waka one more is Sisa, at the other Hoquine, Waka home, and now you don't work as an enti. Say, me Dika Cano. Send him run new one amendment one year, and Canenoa, Cayen Central for Crano, Cayen to mean can want some entre. Oh, radio so say a 2 idea about my insensible to Chrono Concrombia Hokra. Near the kind. We are lawyer ni Nasa Caneno, Anka, will be a codis and Yambransa me ya channel near the Neko Koto. Nasa also Kwaku to charge and what you wouldn't say. Wo, we are Nanka for Anunti, also your batch of the Wafra, and I is my in idea few a horse apoteno, and a minority for no one more problem with her, Anunti, no one will push you. Yeah, to work as Yanaso.
Abusia na ne free tena kwa mo ambakwa shade memene da wo mo ambakwa ne kwasi ada na de empire ball said ye be ya omapani de ne sada hyase no obi asode asa afa nkokọ to ne abrem ya to ansam no eso awansam fufuro mu awahosam a efri asokwa mesini nim awasante mantam eba ekuro ba kwa no de ahensan emunya da kra adehye bi a wo mo wa ahensan ese eja wo mo ni owura bi a ni din ene opani akwasi and a tiffy and fish and a bear said you see 60 years. Now what was the best and answer woman who ora aquasiusu. Na woman dream woman say, eh, be a new 2 quine. And see a jam, woman dear, woman shall be a poo, no man will be a d. I dear chin, no much as here at Carboni be. I will fear her. Oh, woman pemwa. I dear chin ya and a woman say and one some poppy. And once an acacia be fries and a big wines no. One more shall see a beffy of tono. A friend so and cabia. One more thing with your now was a one which shall be a yakroa and cano a free bar. And a woman here, a habon. One more one or aquasiusu. Awana finsiano aduosia na pono ano pe eho anwo mo te se enka kankan bi every day mu ba no mo yam hye wo mo no ebia bibia si yanya ntam ne mu punu yani abusua wan mu bu punu yani abahosam ne sei sa owu akwase nsu wawu be sa nansa ya wahye dam ho no wasabi wahyase a woyi nka eja wo mu yi aposifo asotire e wa bra aposifo ekofa emu no sabram no kasai wo mu chem se wo mu do emu na kwakopem Kumasi South Hospital eho na wo mu kwakwato wo mu bo ama dokotafo aye postmortem na tese kwa papai ni ahwa de kodia potia owu wanya finhia no aduosia opanya akwase wusu eku no efrata asefo asase so yensem training ba wo bedu wo na bopini afa ho ana wone adehia wo mu tifie otwetwe nkomo a wo mu sunya abotre ekyekye ensem nti sabe de posifo sei wo mu asomu se twetwe asase aba yenti jai wo mu adihwehwemu mapa egu akwan mu
na sade wo mu asi asomu no sada ana ensuyiri ya ehya ase ba yenso to na ebi yiri na weja dam so wo mu bie ya adehia wo mu weja bawe na afaka wo mu nyina so sesei ebinu ntete nso ani sampo nkyere ne no ana okwankwe central mra se badwani owura Patrick Yabo amase saade die ne kwanse yetenatena ho a ne yebo ho abubu ahwe na yetietie interviews ahodo a sompafo ene mra se badwani di no one adehye wo ho edie nko nemom ewosa na montuoko na animu ya asoafo a wono na hwe yesika samso yewura to ba afo sen wo bone ho moden afo so na wo pesika kakra edi wura sade be na saafo no nso wo mo ho be samfro wo mo na yewura Patrick Yabo amade se wo mo mfra soafo a wo hwe adansie no mo ho nsam so ma wo mra badwafie ho na fe wo mebo badwafie na amane sade ensuyire no asi atu adehye ede afiri wo mo fie afa.
Look at pictures and videos from the western part of Accra, especially where Honorable Ayaga drives through to Winneba and to Cape Coast. The whole area was submerged yesterday, and it will be very important for us to hear from the Works and Housing Minister on steps that government is taking to get this in, the drainage system, the Wager Dam which was open and people are just homeless in Accra. It's very important that government, through the Minister for Works and Housing, is summoned by your good self to tell the good people of this country what steps government is taking to assuage their plight. So, Majority Leader, that's Ricketts route to Cape Coast, and you are sitting, you are not talking. APAM, all that route. The rains, people couldn't drive to Cape Coast. A friend of mine left Accra at 12 p.m., got to Takoradi at 10 p.m. Atufose must release money to the contractors working on the Accra Cape Coast Takoradi Road. He must make releases and stop hiding under the commitment authorization that he's using to start in this country. He must make funds available, not to come here and present facts and numbers to the country. He must release money for contractors. And also must pay contractors to deliver. All the ministers are suffering.
All the ministers are suffering. Teacher one more enkra na wante se asen kura ye chese obi kura akoto nsum enye se bia ensu e wo hodedo ato ayiri no na de we nyina aba na wi no yewura ayarega mama wono so ka bi ka ho kire se no kure de yewura Patrick Bo America no won ka bone e was a Works and Housing Minister wo ba na sansemi wonya adaje pa ebe bobaja fo no amane.
It won't be bad for the minister to come and apprise us. So follow up with the minister, and based on his availability, I believe he will be able to come and then apprise us of the developments in that regard. But I know that it is not just about the Minister of Finance disbursing funds. It's also the failure over many years to enforce all the codes that this parliament has passed relating to how we plan our cities, where we develop and where we don't develop, how we make sure that the waterways are protected so that when we have heavy downpours, there will not be obstruction to the waterways and then there will be flooding. These are all matters that those of us who are in this house have primary responsibility for. And I say so because every single one of us is a member of our municipal, district and metropolitan assemblies. And as members of the assemblies, it is part of our responsibility to make sure that within our various assemblies, we adhere to the planning codes, we adhere to the regulations pertaining to where to build and where not to build.
Wow. Enti womo kura ye badwafo no e wose womo timi etie appropriate quarters no emra no sade esika no na womo timi edi so sade etie na wohu ba bia ni kwanse womo sie eho yesumuna ne aton asase ama kwabrane ne wosi efie so wosi a na tarefom afudwabrim ebede na nso yira emfa ne nchense nyina ente no ebehia se mpanimfo beba na wo ba abekirikiri
na enso yi ane eho yire de nsam a edie ane ni pedu nso kra ne ma wo mo ye nyina no nyankran hanko a okopie mu wosaku na secondary central prisons e no enso ato ama sesei anonom dan na se nyina ama sabre ya me no ka sei director of prisons in charge of operations and facility management our secondary central prison hono Benedict Bob Derry was say ya hwe ye betia na prison break we no ebe part 6 ebie na si wo Ghana ha nya movie ana film na mom we ya na chela san say ensuo na etoto no nia ede banie na no na odi nsem wo nyina atu Jabra regional minister Onyanfo Joseph Nelson ekọ ho a ene de ya wonu am kwabon ko no ode ne namu no o chese de wa hwe se ni ensuo ya tata busia so wo Facebook ne so a prison woni o ene ensuo awurawura mu saa no a we edidi dan ase nyina na awurawura dan ase abam ti we ubufu na yiri kutu di bom kura no a dan ni bedwiri na amza prison for ho no obi abeso otwa ne time ni wie pepe ntino saa adwini ma wonti nanso Yera Benedict Bob Derry edi ka to one no de abase ya hwe yi a edi asem kase pa na ba mo te se prison break esi e wo Secondary Central Prisons a na ye nsuo na we won fan show bia contractor no a wo ye Secondary kwan no secondary takra de kwan no se ne wo twetwa gata senketenkiti bi asa ne nsam en wo de na nam ho na ma se nsuo ntimi fa gata no mu nko e na abu afa so a e duam se nyambra nsam sa no na bra wo ne Yera Joseph Nelson e bon komo no na so mpa wo ho nti wo se yen sei
2 days ago that we had a report from the region that the facility in Sekindi was flooded. Came along with some pictures were so frightening. So the Director General asked me to come and have a look at the facility and then meet with the authorities as we come up with a solution to. As you know, the prison is a critical infrastructure by the designation of the national security state. Unfortunately, it got flooded a number of times. What I went and saw is a disaster because the prison is old and as the water goes in there, it weakens the walls of the cells and can lead to escape. Prisoners can take advantage of that and escape. Aside that, it is also a health situation. The prisoners were in the water for some number of hours and they have to be evacuated to join their colleagues. Already we have an overcrowded situation in the prison, so a whole lot of issues.
And on a man for Krebusa saying, we are about saying that you have one da he funny one day, yeah, woman and women send yes, a bit, yet your body, anasa ready, Uramui. Now we cry about say prison officer no cry no so cry hwe ne so no wono so cry ne rent allowance cry yentu ama ne ntu ne nyina ejina nsuo yi mu won ewen ne masem kase ne se wa ma mpa bibia anye amfa ho a eye ba akopɛ asam ne ye wan ene wo mo ka no da prison break be si wo Secondary Central Prison no wo bi ahwa no amfa nkɔ se prison na duani na ayana se na duaso yɛsofo no na nya won ya contractor wo ye Secondary takrade kwan no wo ka ho
abusia ya den samru ramo ewo mahye bedwamu na yensam training na opon checheku wana jabre ne brano no watu nkra efiri hosum yen watu ebi ediaba na waswani a wono ohwa ngomasia hosam so wo maimu onanyafo ha na dusu wono enaja floor of parliament wojira simpie ni apaso ena odi atodwa se aban ne hyehye a waye efa akyerɛkyerɛfo a wonom awie suku ya wo mo atifi a yehwa anim se yebe posti wonom ema ma kwakyerɛkyerɛ ade ene this is Amashi is a gay abod said ya beya emofra yetete wonom no wo mo so adwemo abobe no wasese sei no nyankopon ayadom ama brewa ayipuma kwam wo mo ya befa wo mo foforo kora be se empema hanson 7,000 teachers em ya ba recruit wonom a enche kora na wo kire mu sei said ya aban ne hyehye ya wo ye yesen ka hwemu abese empem ahanum 50,000 teachers and across the country no enke wase ya fa wonom nanso wo ye bubu ni toto nkakrakra enti nikita wonsa July bosome no na kire sa hyase a wo mudi kan efa 7,000 na etumi aboa no sa 7,000 we no empema hanson no ya fa wo mo kirade e wo suapon ahodo mu no ebetimi akrosi big gap bi eda hwa no mu a akyerɛkyerɛfo ba se 3,000 na ekwa krosi sa gap no e honko a na ja wo mo wi asa 4,000 aka no eno so aye fresh ayi gaps ya no wo wom na etumi aboa e wabra no wo kyerɛkyerɛ sansemi no sei ene koi
number of community teachers operating in the area. So we have to act well on this matter. Mr. Speaker, yes, it's true. I currently subject to approval and clearance from the Minister of Finance. That is only when I can take the initiative to recruit teachers. So we are currently recruiting 7,000 teachers across the country, and for the tertiary education level, close to 3,000 lecturers to be able to fill in the gap. But if you do a national assessment of our needs, we need a minimum of 50,000 teachers across the country, but that is subject to budget, and the budget being able to absorb that. I know that compensation as a percentage of government spending sometimes affects the number of teachers that are recruited. So, Mr. Speaker, 1st of July, a new batch of recruited teachers will start work across Ghana, and some 7,000 teachers will be recruited. I'm still engaging with the Honorable Minister for Finance to increase the numbers for recruitment of teachers, but you know it must be on budget. So maybe when he comes for his mid-year review, he will look at it.
And what you know on a new for Hana Drusu, actually, some bium, our bra was who and maybe now one mudia sana prakasi, Kutakitabino, one of atros say, one was rabine, say, ye posti at Chachra for Memwa Sebi, one more woman near me, ya woman who had one woman near Frado. I ya binding consider woman, said the baby went, I don't know what's a penny for Tracho, ya Ninano, woman do Hujuman, a cockroach was say, said the gamanche, and so adding a netumu, as a chachafwa ya wo mo nkran pompuni mantam no e kamia ye se mantam dun sie ni na ye posti bia asedi ya nkranfo ne de na say ya bo mo bongarati bia kwa akoto baabi no e no so wo mo enhwe ni ye na wo mo yam hu bibi ni nyina no wo kire mu esei.
Speaker, my attention was drawn during the May Day celebration when one of the workers was dancing with a placard that blind teachers are also teachers, to remind me that when you are doing recruitment, take care of blind teachers. Mr. Speaker, I have had requests from His Royal Majesty the Government Chair that look, even in Greater Accra, they have a challenge with GAR teachers and probably Ewe and other languages across the country. In Savannah, it came up. We should be having dedicated teachers because it is our firm belief and faith that when children learn with the local language as first language of instruction, in addition to English, learning outcomes improve. We've seen some evidence from Oxford supported. English remain our official language, but we should do more. So, Mr. Speaker, we are recruiting teachers and will be guided to give something to the people of Prisia, Huni Valley.
Onyonya for Hana Drusu, Swenia, Wanosha, Womasia, who Samsu, or my concron Gandamo, and they, I want Rasha Jamu, or the Sassamina to Jame and some training, Nana or Ponte Chiku, at Osomie.
Na Sassam Noa, Ujina Wakasano, and Obacha said, Mikrumbegro, Presbyterian Senior High School, dear walk Radashi. One more year, where you mean, I must say, as we have 4 bears and Pim Unia Chirino, will be a Benya Babiada, a Mumma named Memanada. Na contract a woman de mine 7 million contract and all bosso say woman to one's everyone and what you man every
Presbyterian Senior High School is a mixed-sex school located in the Fantuaka North District of the Eastern Region. The school has a population of 2,929, comprising of 1,600 males and 1,200 females. The construction of the dining hall at the Begros Senior High School was awarded to Messrs. The Paul Company Limited at the contract sum of 7 million. The project is being supervised by Messrs. Akito Consult. Works on the project is only 15% complete. Mr. Speaker, thankfully, the honorable member is asking the question at the time that I said that government wants to implement the Star J project. Under it, a number of senior high schools will be rehabilitated. Begro Presbyterian Senior High School will benefit from the initiative. I thank you.
I thank Honorable Harun Idrusu. So far, my own was yaso. And answer me, or born a boy over your few and no point chiku at the money.
No, no, I'm for big cancer. We say. Go automatic post ya adwuma kanya kasa tentem kra ni nyina ya nkomo na principal ya wo bia Lamplighter College of Education aya Dr. Samuel Ajiman wono na elementary wo kan wo che se wo mon sase a e wo ho a wo mbesisi adan ni bi wo so na nkaja be ma tentem wo ja wo mo hwe na amfa wo mo de afa horo ma kwachira de bi sa aka krai wo mo sase mu nkrofo agin sase bo so sa afei so mbenya kai ba akopempo odi ankaja school boss ikura yempe ba akoma on get fund de yode yem kwasere ba akokora mfa ma wona aja wo mo ko ba bi se bia wo mo ko ye adwuma bi o ba bia wo betena mu a enu to so kura we ni bi enu nti se so afo nyina mra se ba mu de wo ka de atoso a kire ne se no kura asem we de ajesu obambi na bra wo kasa no na yen sentre ni osmanfo kwa me owusu na wogina ne nchempe
kuwa yana na doctor gesitewia oboa me nya asase foforo ai na ye kosu do mafo ni bi se omo sase omo ne yen besre akwanya we mi asre se to mo tie nka omo hwe hu se sugu na ba eba mo ma na tu di se ntia se be ni ho a enye tokwa omo ne metena ase aso bi na yen sete bibia na sugu na ba na ebo mo ma so etu pon nti how mienu a ewo ha pa afen so 24 nka suku no be bi ewo no nim se wachiri na nkurase so ewo no so suku a ye de mo fa ne ko mo ko chira mo pa kai ana lolly e be form do makon e na edi ti e stress aboafo meboa yen mo mo e basket sie a e betimi dia fa achechefo no school fo no akọ hwese ne mo fa ne wo no so
we no na ya graduation ceremony mbo aya kwaso o sa hwede bi so ana wode nsem we nyina to dwa na adwuma die ne ase no na pani a womoto nsafre ne seja wamra no wonfa nanim ni nani onyam ene nim de meta akire aya Western of Regional Minister Robert Petty Brentum wonna na ejina ho nti sankra nyina no wonna ne womode soma no wono so jesu sei
all graduates to uphold professionalism, discipline, integrity, and dedication in their work. The children you teach are future leaders, doctors, engineers, ministers, entrepreneurs, and presidents. The impact you make in the classroom can influence the future of our nation. To the management and staff of the college, I commend your continuous effort in training quality teachers despite various challenges. Your contribution to the educational development in the Western North region and Ghana as a whole is highly appreciated.
Upiemo awo atoya da tifi mantam no mu a pania wono na minister na asa swafo ya mantam ni nyina gu ne komu Robert Petty Brentum wono na wode nsem wo nyina atodwa awo bra na se hwede bi so wo mo ye graduation ceremony ni nyina no Bialand Lighter College of Education se wo mo ko ha mo wo mo nsase enkrofo yitwa nsase ne ton obrekwa ya mfa nsase ne ma wo no ho no ko kasa se
wo ensam foforo mu no adom kuma wo mrahye bedwafie wo ba no dani ononyamfo Alexander Kwame na afenyomaken afutu amrahye bedwani no sanso yesahene wakasa akire mu sesede NDC amanyokuo wamo eba ya ntempashosri wambe yi ilevi efri ho ya ene wamankasa akwam ya wamo ntimi endwam ya wamo nam tantanwa esanpese wamo adi ilevi ebehyemuin wamo ka kire Ghana de hye nyina sese sabio empaniso yefon yo ya no wanfe wosia yehu sa wose ayo anasa yefon yo ya enti no ewasa Ghana fo ye sode ne yahase ne yakasa ho se de be ya wamo efa emebuyekom na wamo ka kire Bank of Ghana say wamo hye na sa ilevi no a NDC amanyoko no epese wamo sanso adeba no wamo suspended animanim ya.
The threat is singular and damning our demands as minority. We, the mighty minority in Parliament, hereby demand the following with immediate effect. 1. The Bank of Ghana must permanently prohibit any wallet to bank or bank to wallet charge equivalent to a transaction levy unless authorized by an act. 2. The Attorney General must issue a formal opinion on the constitutionality of imposing levy equivalent charges through fintech operators bypass Parliament to bypass Article 174, and this opinion must be part of the proceedings of Parliament through a ministerial statement by the Attorney General for Parliament to debate. Say. 3. The Finance Minister must appear before Parliament to explain the decisions behind MMFL's announcement and confirm whether the executive knew of or encouraged it. Of course, I doubt if the minister will come and tell us the executive did not know about it. And finally, the government must eat a humble.
And which you know, on your for Alexander Kwame na afenyomaken etoto sresen kebeya and kwamu hia omenya sana hene onya for Dr. Cassell atoba forcing e wo mrahye bedwafie ese mobile money fair fintech limited one mu kire mu se enyema bi akoso wafa ho mo ntiase entine nkebe hia ese obeba mrahye bedwamu na wo mu nyina bobo hu
breaking a solemn electoral promise. We conclude by saying, in 2020, President Mahama reminded Ghanaians that mobile money carries remittances to parents in the villages, pays for goods in the markets, and helps traders restock. Taxing those transactions, he said, taxes the vulnerable, not the wealthy. Those market women are still there, President Mahama. Those mobile money agents are still there, President Mahama. They voted for relief because you made them trust you. You look them in their eye and you promise them. So President Mahama and your government keep your promise. That promise you made is broken through this imposition of 0.75% charge, not through a debated policy reversal, but through a quiet maneuver designed to achieve what could not survive scrutiny. Obviously, the government knows that this policy cannot survive scrutiny in broad daylight. President Mahama once called the e-levy a slap in the face of Ghanaian workers. We ask him simply, what does he call it now? Now that the hand doing the slapping is his own. The MPP mighty minority caucus will use every constitution, legislative, and democratic avenue to kill this backdoor levy for good.
Mahama once said e-levy is a hot slap. Ena onyenyafo Alexander Kwamena Fenyo Makene efutumra shebedwani mighty minority leader ewo mra shebedwamu okasa ye ensem nyina no yensem training nana opon chichiku ena etosomye
na wotu amane ewo nkran no na eda Alexander Kwame wiredu nso tufiri asantemamu edeba na wedi ode yakwa adanse akurofrom ena wo chese Honorable Garba Mohameda wono ena ya abankrache peni di ma de hye wo mpotem ho no what the Asaka Akobofo Mama 24-hour economy market, one more babies into what you want dance and watch as a hospital, police station, fire station, washroom, restaurant, school, bank, a women banking in our womb, not yet.
Sono ya de market no de ba adanse akrufu mu ha na nanom samohwa eye kwaye huina edu ebnada bia na wo de ye market ene MC program no ntinema yetimi pam wo nyina free kwaye mu hasane ebe ya emu beda ho se bi wo ba bia market no ewo no enyini se ya nya market no wo ha ebeto mebi no kwawe mu no kra no se ka bi epenentem na nyame ampata na ne break efieli a ya empower ekrumu ha entina ye ne said ya the market no at the baba ha entina ha na me gina mu jama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and our regional minister Dr. Frank Amwako hene na yasre na nanom ne de aso at the abofom ama 24-hour economy market no akoso enti se etina bi no obi twam no hu se contractor for ha na omo eye adwuma bi a anye obia asemfoforo na 24-hour economy market. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na niswadi no
na Honorable Garba Mohammed de kasawie ya ena na nasare bedi akon wonne ya kurofuro mahene wono nso de ne de eto so sei
na DSC consultant no eya treye epo na na adwene ne entiases epo ya adwene ne entiases so papa say thing say sa imedie ya Yura Mahama ati abe etwa obia di etwa medie ya yo wa fufu ma etwa ya yi said we have any now and now said His Excellency John Dramani Mahama okay who can to for by Montino ye DC the control the new one so am pity ama ya su ye ya beka ho ya dana se pa se osia na ye ni ga ene ya so ye na the president said contractor you need made in assurance any consultant mo pese ebura ye dia ama mo se munye no obeye ne pepe afei dia obedi no as a consultant in engineers no one na so ye tiawa na ne ni mo
eno na nasare bedi akon ura akrofro ma wona ye ahene mahene wono na gina empanimfo ni nyina nananom na mu a woda dwumedie no eso ase Alexander Kwame Redu woto ni nyina ede eto ayene abusua ma awire mfio se eye no nsia bre mu ka se de sha se no num mpa mu efre na hot bite no eno ne ye bite e de amawo ye na ye hutia wamra ye ba ye bebu ka se na brim
Brush your teeth every day and night. Up and down and all around. Brush like clean and bright. Brush your teeth. Brush with mom and dad. Underneath and in between. Brush the germs away.
Pepsodent, cavity protection.
For 10 times stronger.
This advert is FDA approved.
TV, Emma Aketiapa.
No kwasem Emma Aketiapa. Yɛde nsɛm no ɛkɔ amanɔne. Na NATOfoɔ wɔn mo asɔdafoɔ no wɔn mo atete afam wɔ Finland ɛne Russia wɔn mo mfafra mu hɔ border no so no. Kyerɛ baabi a wɔn mo gyina no bɛyɛ sɛ anamɔ kwan ketewa bi na wawura wɔn border no mu. Ɛhɔ na wɔn mo de drone incursions ɛhɔ na wɔn de akɔ akɔduru na tie ne wɔn every base 30 kilometers away from Finland and Russia for border no so pay ena one do major escalation of drone activity e dey akwakodu we NATO territory e ho no dey akwakodu na Northern Star Tactical Training a wo ye e wo Vusanka training grounds wo a e wo Kajani no Kajani Central Finland e ho asemi wo mo a NATO allies maako enson ena won ho wom ebusuatie one Finland for na Finland Defense Force one more ka ho US for na me of ade wan fa no for anka ho bi ahenfo bio Poland for nie na UK Kestaman for France nso baby a Adamfapa radio wo no one more soldier for ka ho Italy ni amanfo ka na Italy no e ka ho bi na Hungary na papa no ka ya o se ekom no Hungary one more so ka ho besa bosumi kakra ni besa 9,000 personnel and one man said that one for not high terrain no more as one much any one more a word in a pan, but one said that one for house say baby a temperature no crack do no aqua do negative 20 degrees Celsius. Tie as in overage a one into our boys say, oh, woman, blog no flat of say pam. One woman in our blog on Kwa. Now so one more year training I can see. I don't know how man for say I dear ya one more training aqua for way. Trump waka say NATO for womo boa womo di Iran so nkunimu a womo NATO kura na benya so mfa so kese pa no ani ti womo kwa ya hard training ya na no do makwa akohia Iran fo ana no ya asembisa eno so na ye gina na anwumre yi ye de ensam a de beso mu no nyina ade asie hyane nso sa medimafo ba center edima yen ewo breko a time aba mexture so eka ye ho na Pepsodent enso bo ye chidom ma bibia etimi ekọ nkan boko ye tena ase wankran hai so mpa nkra bata ni nyina je kase no bra na Adamfapa radio wa France ahinkro Paris no mo agye na fe Kingdom 106.1 agye kase no na Doma FM 100.7 enso efa ni nyina hyane nso SOMPA client service number no eno so ye nya mu ekitamu den 0531 862 0531 886 216 0531 886 216 ofra wajato ndi ho dawuro ni nyina no o de fa ho a e be ne kama e de ama wo a bibia e be ye fine enuanu a ye je bre ba cheche nsem no nyina de ma wo bra bretu ba be ma tenten a we tietia wo nyina ka ho ma se to guest ndi ko Facebook no ye je wo so a memedin odomankoma chiame OBREMPONG-NANA KWAKU AMPOMAH minimini aba
ABENA BADU ADEPA KWOFIE and I grandpa
Triple A mine APPIAH APAM DADAA